Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to construct histogram for unequal class width. For explanation, I have taken one example from past paper 4024, paper 1, variant 1, October November 2020. Question number 19. The times T minutes taken by some people to travel to work are shown in the table. There are two rows here. The first row is for time, T minutes, and frequency. Second row is for frequency. 16, 15, 10, 12 are the frequency. And on the grid is given here. There is a graph. You have to draw a histogram to represent this data. The first step is you have to check the class width for this data. To find class width, you should know the formula of class width. The formula for class width is upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. Class width equals to upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. In this data, this value is set to be lower class boundary, and this value is upper class boundary. And the same way, or this is lower class boundary, and this value is upper class boundary here. So the first step is you have to find class width so the class width of 10 till 20 is 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10, which is 10. I have written the formula. Class width equals to upper class boundary minus lower class boundary. For second class, the class width will be 25 minus 20, which is 5. And in the last class, second last class, the class width will be 30 minus 25, which is 5 again. 30 minus 25. And the class width of last class is 50 minus 30, which is 20. You are observing that these values, these class widths are unequal because the class width of first class is 10, the class width of second class is 5, the second is 5, and the last class width is 20 here. So this data is for the unequal class width. To draw histogram, you have to find frequency density, because for unequal class width on y-axis we need frequency density here. So this is frequency density. You should know the formula for frequency density. I'm going to write the formula for frequency density. This is frequency density. Frequency density here. So I'm going to write the formula for frequency density. Frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. Frequency density is frequency over class width. CW is stand for class width. Suppose class. So the formula for class width is frequency density is frequency over class width. So I'm going to write a formula frequency over F over class width CW. So in this case, frequency density will be frequency is 16, and the class width is 10. So the frequency density will be 16 over 10, which is 1.6. And frequency density for next class is 15 over 5 because frequency over class width is the frequency density. Frequency density will be 3. In second last class, the frequency density is frequency over class width. I've written the formula frequency over class width. So frequency density will be 10 over 5, or you can say 2. And in the last class, frequency density will be 12 over 20. 12 is frequency, class width is 20, so 12 over 20, which is equal to 0.6. Now, since the data was for unequal class width, so when data is for unequal class width, we have to plot frequency density as on y-axis and time on x-axis, or you can say class boundaries on x-axis. If the intervals are starting from the previous value, these data will be is set to be class boundaries, because 20 then again is starting from 20, 25, 25, then 30, 30. So this data is not the class interval, these data is class boundary. Now, on the grid, times are given 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and frequency densities are given, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So for the data 10 till 20, the frequency density is 1.6, and we have to plot frequency density on y-axis, and 10 till 20 is on x-axis. So 10 till 20 is here, and the height will be, the frequency density will be 1.6. So 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 1.6, 10 till 20, 1.6. So draw a rectangle. Now, for second class is 20 till 25, and you have to don't take frequency, take frequency density. Frequency density, because it is a unequal class with data here. So 22 till 25, I'm going to take 3 as a frequency density. So 20 till 20, mark frequency density as 3. There's 3 here. So the height of rectangle for the class 20 till 30 is this is frequency 3. In second last class, data is 25 till 30, and the frequency density is 2. Don't take frequency 10, don't take 10. Take frequency density, because this data is for unequal class width. Unequal class width data is unequal class width. Unequal class width data here. So 25 to 30, the frequency density is 2. So 25 till, I'm sorry, 20 till 25. This was 20 till 25. So please remove this 20 till 25. 25, mark 25 here. This is 25, more 21, 22, 24, 5, 22, 23, 24, and 25. This is 25. And the height of 20 till 25 is 3. So 5. This is the height of the rectangle. Now, the class for 25 till 30, the frequency density is 5 again. Sorry, frequency density is 2. 2. Frequency density is 2 here for 25 to 30. So mark 2 here, and this is And the last class for 30 till 35, the frequency density is 0.6 here. Don't take 12 frequency because unequal class width data here. So 30 till 50 frequency density is 0.6. 0.6 means 1, 2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. This is 0.6 and 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So draw a rectangle. This is the histogram for unequal class width. This histogram for unequal class width, you are observing that each rectangle has different class width. Class width. In the previous two part for this topic, I have explained different types of for the histogram for equal class width. So I hope you have to now you got the idea about how to draw how to construct histogram for unequal class width. So if you understood this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.